So, what are decorators?
A decorator modifies a function's behavior. Let's look at the sine function, as it is contained in the math module. If you look at the help file, you can see that the sine function expects the argument to be measured in radians. There is no way to call it with a degree value, except explicitly turning the degree value into a radians value before calling the sine function. This can be done by multiplying the degree value x by pi and divide the result by 180.
I know a solution. I write a custom sine function like this. Reviewing the results, it's clear that we successfully achieved our objectives.
While the sine function solution is effective, it highlights a broader challenge, implementing the same flexibility across all trigonometric functions, such as cosine, tangent, cotangent, and others. Each of these functions has to be implemented in a similar manner, which unfortunately leads to redundant code.
Are decorators a solution to this problem?
Yes, decorators are indeed a beautiful and elegant solution to this problem. We'll be writing our first decorator shortly. Let's revisit our specialized sine function. Recall that our cosine and tangent functions were quite similar, with the only difference being that we replaced the name sine with the corresponding function names, cosine or tan. We could also replace the name sin by the name wrapper and math.sin by the name func.
But how can we use this function? There is no function func? And why do you call the function wrapper?
The function wrapper is not supposed to be directly used. You could use it only if a global function func exists, but you shouldn't use it like this. The function wrapper will be used as a nested function in another function. This function will be a decorator. Let's call this decorator trigonometric_decorator.
How can I use this decorator?
Calling trigonometric_decorator with sine or cosine as an argument means decorating these functions. The decorator function trigonometric_decorator creates a new function from wrapper and returns this function. The original function sine and cosine will be called by func inside this wrapper function. So, when you call sine or cosine afterwards, you call first this wrapper function, and inside the wrapper you call the original function sine or cosine via the function called func.
Wow, awesome! Now I can call the sine and cosine functions with an extra parameter to switch between radians and degrees. Super handy!
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content.